little peek, you know? There's definitely a guy in there. Well, no harm in asking, right?
Yeah.
Close, right?
Got a nice question for you. Can you just do like a few donuts over here and stuff?
Really? Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
just don't
anything like.
curb, otherwise.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wreck the car.
Yeah.
You're right about that one.
Yeah, have fun.
Okay, well, we appreciate it so much. Thank you.
There you go.
Have a good
Thank you.
weekend.
Wow. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a very special one with you. We got Mr. Adam over here, and we got the WRX and a whole bunch of snow. This is about to be unlimited fun right here. Ready? Yo! Did it look cool?
Dude, it looked insane. Well, the thing is all the snow is coming up over your car too at the same time.
So it's like a fan.
Yeah,
Oh,
it looks
that's fucking insane. Nothing. You're not recording, right? Hold on. How was that? Dude. Yo, my car's at 242 right now.
What, oil tap?
Yeah, well, it'll just go down.
Do you have a charger?
Yeah, I got a charger.
My phone died.
Oh.
I got it all, but right when I clicked stop, it died.
Here.
Yeah, it was freaking insane.